everybody, welwelcome to Mommy Tales India। मेरा नाम है अमृत और आज की वीडियो है बहुत ही स्पेशल क्योंकि आज हम बात करने वाले हैं बुक्स के ऊपर। Well friends, in today's video I'm going to be talking about the best baby books that you can invest for your infants 6 months old to toddlers 3 years old. So from infants to toddlers, which are the best baby books to invest in? Well friends, personally this is my favorite topic because I as a mom am a big believer of starting to read early to your child. And you may ask why? Why is it so important to start reading early to your child? Well, क्या आपको पता है? If you start reading daily to your child, even when your child is 6 months old or earlier, उससे क्या होता है कि it really helps to stimulate that part of their brain which helps them to understand language. इससे धीरे धीरे उनके cognitive skills, उनके motor skills improve होते हैं, उनकी vocabulary improve होती है, and in no time they start really relating with the world outside through the language which they are reading, through the things that they are seeing in the books. How amazing is that, isn't it? Well friends, मैंने इसको खुद real life में देखा है with Avi because I started reading a little early to him. I started reading when he was 5 months old और मैंने खुद उसमें बहुत सारी improvement देखी है just because I started reading early to him. Alright, so let's get today's video started. Are we ready? Alright friends, first things first, हमें मार्केट में infants to toddlers की कैटेगरी में बहुत सारी बुक्स मिल जाएंगी, right from the brown bear to the very famous the very hungry caterpillar to many more story books. हमें बहुत सारे options मिल जाएंगे मार्केट में. But in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my top 5 recommendations as best books for infants to toddlers. These are my tried and tested books which I have seen my son Avir actually growing up and learning so many things as I've been reading these books to him. Alright, so without further delay, let's get started. And before I start, I'll also mention one thing because these are my recommendations. So you know you can take the decision accordingly. It might help you to decide which book you want to buy because I'm going to be sharing my best recommendations and why I really suggest them to you. And also in this video, I'm going to be covering the pointers like how he used to react when I introduced this book to him as an infant, and then how he actually achieved those milestones, how he understood about the words when he reached 1 year or 1.5 year milestone, and now as a toddler how he is actually reciprocating these books. Okay, so let's get started. The first book which I'm going to be talking about is this book called Peekaboo by Ladybird Publications. So friends, what's the best part about this book is that it is very colorful. It is a touch and feel book. First of all, for infants, we love to introduce infants with touch and feel books because they can actually touch the texture, and you know that's a really very interesting part for the infants. The illustrations are beautiful. It's a touch and feel book, so you know there's a bumpy texture over here. Then on the next page, this is a fuzzy texture, and it was having these flaps which he used to turn up and down, which actually helped to improve his motor skills. So when Avi was 6 months old, he just used to look at these colorful characters. He used to just observe this book, and then slowly when he reached 10 months, he started flipping those flaps which this book has, and then gradually when he turned 1.5 year old, he actually started identifying a few things like bubbles or maybe like a bunny hop, then bees saying this. So I used to make these sounds to him so that he can actually relate. So these are some things which I have done while I've been reading these books. And now that he's a toddler, how he has actually learned even about the mirror. When he was 1.5 year old, he understood about the mirror through this book. He can understand, he can identify that this is a black color cat. Okay, if I ask Avir who is in the mirror, he answers back, Mama, this is Avir. Then there are so many things like he says helicopter is flying above the clouds, and he identifies there's a baby in the hot air balloon. So now the meaning of this book is very different for Avi than what it was when I started reading to him. So my top recommendation is of this book. I'm going to link of this book in the description box so you guys can check it out. Okay, so this was book number 1. Now the second book which I would like to recommend you is a pack of this board books by Solimo. Solimo is an Amazon brand, and this book I got for him when he was an infant, of course. This video is all about that, the books that have lasted me through the infant age to the toddler age. So friends, this book pack is something I really recommend to all the parents, and I'll tell you the reason. The first thing is, when the baby is an infant, they can, this is a very nice size to hold for the baby. That's the first thing. So babies can actually hold it. It's very comfortable. They can flap, they can open the flaps of the book, and the books are of board. They are not the flimsy page. So even if they are trying to do something, they're trying to chew it, which they generally do, or they're trying to tear it, this book will just be like it is. It is not going to get teared off, or it's not going to cause any, the cardboard is not that quality that it will just get ripped off when the baby chews on it, because they do develop a habit of chewing around when they're teething. So what I love about this book is also because all these these are realistic figures. So even if I talk about the cat and the dog, you will see that these are real life looking animals, and it is not an animated character. So what I really had in my mind was that I do not want to introduce his first board book which will have an animated character, because animated characters are all imaginary. Like you can see over here, it's a zebra, but it will have a different kind of illustration in which the nose or the eye of that particular animal or the object will not be like how they are in the real life. So I really wanted to make sure, if I'm introducing my son, that okay, Avir, this is a cat, it should really look like a cat, and it should not look like any animated character which he might not be able to identify when he sees a real cat. So that is the reason I just love this. And how he has actually grown with this pack is, there are these multiple words in this book, like a robot or a doll. These things are still small for a 6 months old, a 7 months old. So I started with these basic books, like a book about fruits, a book about vegetables. Then as and when he reached 1 year, 1.5 year milestone, I started introducing the other books. And now that he is a toddler, I have actually started introducing colors and numbers to him. There are so many books, there are colors in this which I have recently started introducing, as the baby actually learns about numbers and colors only when they turn 2 years, or around that age, or maybe 2.5 years. Then there is a book for nursery rhymes, which I am sure that he is going to relate to this when even he turns 3 years old. So that's the reason this pack of 10 books is really amazing, and Avir has actually learned and understood about so many words just because of these Solimo books. And still, after a few days, I asked him, Avir, go and pick your favorite book from the bookshelf, and he will bring one of these board books. So this is an absolute go-ahead for recommendation when you're deciding about which book to buy for your baby. Okay, so the next book which is there on my recommendation is this book, which is by Igloo Books. It is called Incy Wincy Spider, and what I love about this book is this sound button. This is whenever a child presses this button, actually a rhyme of Incy Wincy Spider starts playing, and that is the most fascinating part about this book. Other than that, also this book uses very bright colors. We have contrasting colors, contrasting color palette going throughout this book. We have popping colors, which infants are, especially infants, are very attracted towards. There are animated characters. Now, if I talk about Solimo books which had realistic animals versus the animated animals, basically the thing that you have to understand is, when you are actually teaching those particular things to your children, like I'm particularly teaching animals or fruits or birds, then I should ensure that that particular book where I'm teaching it should have a realistic looking animal. Whereas this book, the purpose is not to introduce a spider, but the purpose is to introduce a rhyme, or maybe have that motor skill developing in an infant, wherein the infant has to press this button hard so that they can hear this sound, the sound of the rhyme. So it really helps to develop their cognitive skills and their motor skills, and slowly and gradually they will pick up the rhyme that you will not even come to know. I love this book. So when he was an infant, he used to try to press it harder and harder so that the music can play when he is pressing it. And then slowly when he turned 1.5 years, I used to sing this rhyme whenever the music used to play, and you won't believe that he started singing this rhyme. Incy Wincy went up. So like that, he started to catch those words very quickly. And then now that he's a toddler, he has just started identifying other things like birds, then flowers, there's a honeybee, there's a sun, so many other things that he has started. There's an ant, a caterpillar, so he started identifying all those things slowly. And he still loves this book, especially because of this sound button. Kids just love anything related to sound or touch and feel, especially when they are infants, and even when they grow up, they still love all those things. So whenever you are buying and you're creating a list of books, ensure that there's one book which has realistic characters, one book which is touch and feel, one book which has sound, one book which talks about some habit, and one book which actually can have some of their imagination going on here and there. Alright, so the next book that I'm going to introduce you now is this book, which is one book which I saw for the first time and I knew I really want to buy. This is called 5 Cute Kittens, and this book is by Small World Creations. I will be linking all these products in the description box below so that you can just easily go there and find. If you really love these books, you can actually try. They all are very good. Okay, now talking about this book called 5 Cute Kittens. The best part about this book is that you can slide these cats along, and the thing is that there are 5 kittens, and they play hide and seek. That's the story of this book. So whenever a kitten is found, you actually have to move that kitten to this side, that okay, mommy cat has found that kitten. This book is really having a lovely story, and Avi has actually grown while he's been reading this book. I introduced to him when he was an infant, and all that he loved to do that time was move this. So this the cats on this is having an embossed print, so whenever he used to hover his fingers over it, he used to feel very nice because it is having that touch and feel effect. And he also used to turn the book pages, which helped to develop his motor skills. Then when he grew up, he started understanding about the cat and the dog, and I noticed that around 1.5 years he used to love chasing cats and dogs. Maybe it was because of this book, or maybe it was just because I used to teach him about the cat and the dog through Sulimo books, or I used to read him this story. But anyways, what I want to say is, whichever books we try to read to our kids really pick up a lot from them. We as parents also don't know which thing will click them. We just have to try and be consistent in reading them, introducing them to different things, different objects, and so many other things. And now when he's a toddler, he has actually started to understand about the game Peekaboo. He loves to play hide and seek with us, and I have really seen him picking all these things. Over here also in this book, the kittens are playing hide and seek with their mom. So he really loves to hide in the house. That's like he can play for hours and hours. Hide and seek is his favorite thing, and he loves to do peekaboo as well. So yeah, I really love this book, and this was one book which I saw and I knew instantly that I want to buy it off. This was my book number 4, and now moving on to the last recommendation, 5th and the last recommendation, and that is this book called Share. This book is by Autumn Publishing, and this is such an amazing book, guys. I just love this book. This has a very nice film cover to it, and it's hardboard. The size of this is amazing. This is a very good size for kids, especially babies, infants to toddlers. This is a perfect size, and this talks about sharing, which is a habit which I really wanted my son to have, and that's the reason I picked this one. There are many other habits which this book series have, like thank you, please, and a few others. So I picked up this, and I thought, let me see how he will respond to it. He just used to see this book, and he just used to like the colors. He used to flip-flop, turn the pages, and that's it. He didn't used to show that much interest, but he just used to like to see these animated characters, and he just used to love the colors of this book. And what I observed was, when he turned 1 to 1.5 year old, he actually started identifying this lemur animal. He would say, "Mama, lemur book," and I was surprised because I also didn't know about a lemur animal, or there is one tapir animal in this for the longest time in my life. And I see my 1.5-year-old tell me that this is a lemur, this is a tapir, and that was just because of this book. And also, friends, he started identifying a toucan because of this book. So this book has actually introduced him to many animals, and now when he's a toddler, he can actually understand that this concept of sharing a little bit. He understands this has a beautiful story, so whenever I read, maybe he picks up little words. And I have never seen the problem of sharing in a way. He loves to share his toys. He doesn't have much of a problem. So yeah, this is a beautiful book, and it has a lovely story going on. And this he understood about a parrot, toucan, lemur, tapir, monkeys having bananas, so many things just because of this book. And that's the reason this comes in one of my top 5 recommendations as best baby books, especially because it talks about a habit. The message is life is nicer when you share. So that is the message which this books want to promote. Sharing is caring, sharing is making life beautiful. I really love this book, and it comes in my top 5 recommendations. I will be linking the links to these books down below, so you can check it out. And that's all what I had for today, and I hope this video will help you decide better for your children and make your parenting a happy and fun-filled journey. So thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. And I will see you very soon next week. This is Amrit signing off for now. Bye bye and take care.